channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can make thumbnails like Technical Guruji and the other YouTubers. So for this you want an app named CANVA. It is a website, but now they launched their official app, so you can make from there CANVA. So just you have to download this app. If you want, then I will give a link in the description box down below. You have to open it. By using this app you only not can make thumbnails, but you can make many more things like Facebook cover and photo grids, posters, flyers, invitation cards, visitor cards, and many more, Twitter account handle, thumbnail, and many more. So here we have to open YouTube thumbnail. So there are many, you can select any template from it according to your need. You can select any thumbnail. So I will select this simple one, this one. Here some money, but and I have selected this. So now you see it is open. The main thing in this picture is that you can select any picture of that. I will select this Instagram. I have made a video how to get verification on Instagram, so you can watch it. I will give its link in description and also the I button. So now you can change the text from here and set it like you got verification. So the main verification. So now it is not, you have to adjust it. I'll adjust. You can edit it and make very good thumbnails for your channel, attracting thumbnails, because if you make attracting thumbnails then only you can get views. So now look at this, I will set it. The one thing that I liked of this app is that it will not show any watermark and its size is perfect for the thumbnail. You can add images, colors, filters, and many more things. Now I doesn't want to add, so I will add. Now here plus icon, you can add text, graphics, image. So I will add a graphic of Instagram's logo. Instagram logo I will add. You can search any video you want according to your video, according to your needs. So I will paste it here of small size and here. Now I can also add verification beauty from here. So this app is totally free. There are some templates that are paid, so you can purchase it, but it is free. So I will add Instagram verification, beauty mark here. It is the best thumbnail application. Kickstart is also there, but here you have to use your mind. Here you get thumbnail, but just you have to edit something. So here we can see the blue tick. We have to search for it. It is all the paid. Here it is. So you can paste it here and you can make an attractive thumbnail using these applications. So again we will add some enter text we add here. 100% working I will add. This application is good for YouTubers and all the people. So 100% working. Then you in this you get many more text options, like I will show you. Now see how many fonts you get in this. Okay, I will set an which looks good. Okay, this will good. Yeah. So now you can change the text color. You can change the sides. You can bold it. Anyone you can do. So now share, you have to press, so it will save in your device. You can share it also in WhatsApp, but I will not. So look, I have made some of thumbnails. This video you are watching, its thumbnail is also made by the same application. So it is very good for that. Now you can make many things using this application. Story, YouTube channel art you also can make for your channel. So this is very good application. So first there its website is there, you can do it from there also, but now they released some applications. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel.